Welcome to this Get Exercise Confident video. Liv here is going to do the feet elevated bridge for us, which works the core and the glutes similar to the hip bridge, but also focuses on the hamstrings on the back of her legs. If she just puts her feet on the chair for the setup. So we want the feet slid back a little bit more than that. So the thighs are just less than 90 degrees as an angle at the hip. What she's going to do, similar to the hip bridge, is flatten her back into the floor. If she just crosses her arms as well, you should see her lower back is nice and flat against the floor. It's not arched. What she's now going to do is bring her hips off the floor first, meaning she uses her glutes similar to before in the hip bridge, but as she goes up to the top, she should feel her hamstrings are working on the back of her legs as well. Really important during this exercise is that your feet are pulled back, so the angle of the sole of her foot is now vertical as well. This takes it out of the calf and focuses on the hamstring. So we do 2 more reps, nice and slow, squeezing the hips at the top and then slowly back down. Brilliant. Common mistakes of this exercise are, rather than lifting the hips off the floor first, that the back will overarch and strain. So as Liv lifts up now, her lower back is going to hyperextend and arch, meaning she puts too much pressure on her lower back, rather than lifting the hips off first, like so, and bringing them up before the back. The other common mistake is as she lifts, her feet may push away from her in this exercise, which isn't a problem, but it just takes some of the focus off the hamstrings and puts a little bit more of it into the calves and also the quads on the top of the leg. So we keep the feet vertical, and that allows the exercise to hit the back of the leg on the hamstrings. As a progression to this exercise, what we can do is slide the chair further away, which now means she's in a longer lever position. If she now lifts up her hips, it's less about the hips and more about the legs, although all the same muscles are working, just with a different focus. Brilliant. Thank you for watching this Get Exercise Confident video.